From modern, well-lit premises, Freien CNC Service offers its expertise in the fields of electronics, mechanics and electricity for key industries such as watchmaking, screw cutting and the medical sector. Working both in Switzerland and abroad, the Freien CNC Service team can respond within a few hours for urgent repairs to numerical control machines. Operating immediately on site, Freien CNC Service stakes its reputation on the quality of its services and its versatility. Alongside this, the company offers its customers preventive maintenance for their machines, saving them time and giving them peace of mind and security. Freien CNC Service holds ISO 9001 certification and will give your screw machine a full or partial service. Fully retrofitted, the machines emerge from our Delémont workshops like new. CNC Service, the control specialist.